What's up guys, it's Flash at tradingwithflash.com. If you're a Tim fan, I'm not too sure whether you're going to like this video, but stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. So guys, you do know my view, and I've spoke publicly about how I feel about Tim Sykes, and there's nothing new about that. That video that I've done on him, like I've spoke publicly about him in a lot of the videos, but what stuck out on me in particular was one guy actually reached out to me and made a comment and said that one of Tim's original haters was now one of his most successful students, and I have heard Tim say that before. Now, I don't know if this is true or this is a publicity stunt or is this a marketing angle he went with. I have no idea. So before you start hating on me, I don't have any evidence to prove that this is a marketing stunt. I don't know. But going back to the point that the guy said when he commented and wrote to me saying that somebody was Tim's original hater became a millionaire student. So he actually put the question to me, why don't I take the challenge? Well, I'm going to put it out there to you guys and to you, Tim. I will take your challenge on. But I guarantee you, you're not going to put the option in front of me. Because I wish that I did make a video out to actually comment you and praise you, because I just want to make good content there for people. I don't want to be coming out and absolutely slating people, but that's, unfortunately, I have to give my honest opinion, and that's what I do. But I am going to put it out there to you, Tim, or any of the followers, that I will do a challenge for you, and I will take your course, and I will give 100% review on your course, absolutely free. But not only that, is if it does make me a better trader and I can see value in it, I will apologise live on YouTube for all the videos I've ever made about you, but prove me wrong. Let me in and let me try be one of these believers that you have. Make me the challenge that you made your original hater on, that now he's a multi-millionaire student. I'll take the challenge, and if you're right, you're right, and what's the worst that can happen? I have a couple $1 million. I'll put the challenge out there, Tim. Let's see do you accept it. God bless.